Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are in Hammamet in Tunisia. So I've already been to Tunis and I've been to Sousse. So this is the last destination of this trip. Just want to check it out. It's off season in regards to tourism, but still that doesn't mean that we can't enjoy this beautiful weather and the beautiful sights and the good food that this place has to offer. So let's go check it out. So this is the Kasbah of Hammamet. It's quite a big, large building. So there are quite a few boats out upon the sand. I don't know if they're for fishing or for people to go out and try. But you can enter the souk through a few of these doors here. So there's a door here on the right which we'll be entering through. Let's go check it out. So this gate is called Bab Bahr. Quite a common name because the one in Tunis had the similar kind of name or the same name for the entrance. Basically, if you go through here and come out the other side, this
I'm just not interested. Something for them now. What about one of these rooms?
get the sweets, man. That's been the best
For
thing.
us, for decoration. Are there ceiling suits again? Yeah, then back home. Section.
No, this way.
I don't know. Otherwise, she'll wake up soon.
Nisa, chapati festa. Alaikum salam. I'll go. So here's the Mosque of the Medina. The streets, they do have names. Real interesting knockers, they have one. I think this Medina is quite small. It's a beautiful palm tree. It's a date palm. As you can see, some dates are growing up there. It's not the season of the date yet, but they are growing. It's very, very quiet around here. Very serene. It's just a few shops which are within the Medina. Not many. And I've not come across many tourists either. I don't know how many people are residing in these quarters. It's really hard to tell. Walaikum salam.
Welcome, brother. Thank you.
Okay,
Familiar shop. Just to make me happy. Thank you. Quick look, without hassle here. Just to make it. A big shop, you can see. You can have a look. لبس.
Alhamdulillah.
You got from?
Pakistan.
Oh, nice to see you. Welcome.
شكرا.
عندنا nice wallet, nice belt, Superman, t-shirt, kaftan.
Okay, I'm just gonna eat inshallah. I'm gonna come back this way inshallah. شكرا.
You're welcome. Leather shoes, only 10 dinars.
Mhm.
Leather shoes, 10 dinars.
شكرا.
Welcome.
And the Medina comes out. Back towards the beach on the other side. And of course I haven't done the Medina any justice because there are a lot of narrow roads in and out. A lot more to see, of course. But I'm just coming out to this side of the Medina because there's a lot more shops and stuff like that where you could grab a quick bite to eat, possibly. Walaikum assalam. There's a lot of youth around here chilling within these walls. And it's really bright, the reflection that you're getting from the sun. So there is a route to walk if you don't want to go through the Medina, and I believe it's just down here. And it's just around the side there. And here we have the beach. And the coastline just carries on all the way around. There's a graveyard here as well. There's a lot of people have been buried around here. It's quite a large graveyard. So the promenade does carry on around here. Beautiful views of the Mediterranean Sea. You can probably imagine this is a bit busy in the summer. And there's a churros place just here. So this is the street that comes back up towards the center, and there are like a few places on the way, as well as dessert shops and coffee shops as well. And it's not very busy at all. One of the things I do like that all the buildings are painted in white, so they've preserved that theme throughout. A lot of the houses have names as well. It's a lot more busy up here, but I'm guessing this is a lot of local people as opposed to tourists and stuff, which sometimes works out bad because you're not going to pay the sky high prices that tourists generally pay. So these are one of the popular kind of fast food style foods that they have here, which they have like tacos and what they call Malawi and makloob, which I'll try because we haven't had this kind of food as of yet. When you order it, it comes in this sandwich box, and that's how it's presented. Beautiful.
We open that so we can leave.
Here we go. Very nice. Beautiful presentation. Apologies guys, my battery had died, so I'm just back at the hotel now. And yeah, what I wanted to say was that makluba was extremely cheap. It was a great meal for, I think, of 7 dinar, and you get like the makluba and fries for 7 dinar, which is just over £2, I believe, British pounds, which is extreme value for money. Wow, you can't beat that. And it was a very popular place as well. A lot of students who had finished school who were going there as well. And yeah, all prepared fresh. And yeah, definitely recommend checking out a place like that when you're here in Tunisia. Anyway, I hope to leave you for now and see you on the next one. Peace.